Hello everybody, Maximilian here, welcome back in another video. In this video I will show you a spreadsheet with hundreds of different products, which is great especially for the upcoming back to school. We have the August. Back to school is in September, so it's a special time, ideal time for purchasing products, especially for your back to school. So you have that 2 weeks to ship the package. And let me show you how it all looks like. Let me show you all the spreadsheets. So folks, this is how it all looks like. We've got a spreadsheet with 3,000 different products. As you can see, this is just looking amazing. Here, as you can see, you can browse for anything you want to. You have everything here in segments. You have the pants, shoes, shorts, t-shirts, coat slips, down jackets, jersey, underwear, and some accessories. And let's say you want to look for some backpacks, nothing easier than that. Simply click on the Ctrl F and then type in here backpack. As you can see here, we've got some nice backpacks for $41, $28, $41, $28, Arctic one. Let's see how it all looks like. Here we also have the Nike Elite backpack. Let's take a look at this one. As you can see, this thing pops out, and as you can see, this one's selling for like $18 only, so it all looks just great. I absolutely love that. I actually ordered one, so we're gonna see how it all looks like. And yeah, besides the backpacks, obviously you have thousands of different shoes here. It all looks just nice. I love it. So you can literally browse for some shoes for school if you want to. Let's go to the t-shirts and long sleeves. As you can see here, we've got some sets as well. And you've got some Ralph Lauren ones. They look nice, they look elegant. We've got some essential ones. We've got some spider hoodies, Prada t-shirts, Broken Planets or whatever, everything is here, Chrome Hearts. So yeah, this spreadsheet is just amazing. And yes, you also have those cute little polo t-shirts with the bear, as you can see. The quality is obviously amazing, like all of my spreadsheets, so you don't need to worry about anything. So yeah, this selection is just enormous. I highly doubt that you can get such a collection of products in a normal shop. It's just amazing here. And yeah, hoodies, whatever you want to do. It also matches the pants here, as you can see. So folks, that will be it as for this video. If you have any questions, simply ask me in the comment section. As you can see, this spreadsheet is just amazing. You have thousands of products there. If you have some concerns regarding purchasing products on CNFans, check out my channel. I've got hundreds of different tutorials and unboxings on my channel here, so don't worry about that. You have everything in here. With that said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!